Clearly, there's a lot of opportunity in telehealth right now. I believe you've tripled the valuation to $1.5 billion over a little more than a year. But at the same time, Zach, you're also up against some very established players who are adding their own telemedicine digital offerings. So tell us how this latest round will help you compete against them.
Yeah, absolutely. Let's take a step back and explain what Ro is and what we do. So Ro handles everything from online diagnosis to the delivery of treatment and ongoing care. And we power 3 digital health clinics. We power Roman for men's health, Rory for women's health, Zero for smoking cessation. And we recently launched Ro Pharmacy, which is a cash pay pharmacy that offers over 500 generic medications for the low price of $5. So what we'll do with this new investment is we'll continue to build out that platform and that infrastructure. We're one of the only telemedicine and direct-to-consumer companies that has built our own physician EMR, our own pharmacy operating system, our own provider network. And so we'll use this investment to further our mission of being every single patient's first call.
Right. So tell us then how you differentiate yourself, not just from established players, but big tech giants too. What you just described, especially the delivery, pharmacy delivery bit of it, is something that giants like Walmart and Amazon are in as well. So how do you guys differentiate yourself?
Yeah. The key is the vertical integration. So we're the only one that, again, has built all of that infrastructure from scratch and has seamlessly connected it, right? We've seamlessly connected the digital doctor's office that some companies have. We have Ro powers 6 pharmacies distributed throughout the country, and we've connected those so that from a patient's perspective and from a provider's perspective, whether they're a doctor, nurse, or pharmacist, all of that is seamlessly connected, and that's what allows us, again, to offer an unrivaled experience to patients. It's what has allowed us to treat 98% of care deserts in the country, and in less than 2.5 years, we've facilitated over 5 million doctor's visits. So what we're building has clearly resonated with patients in a way that few other companies have.
Hey, Zach, good morning. It's John Fort.
Morning.
How long did it take you to raise this round?
It was actually one of the most exciting things to us about this round was that it came from our existing investors, right? So General Catalyst is leading the round, and we've had significant support from all of our existing investors, from Firstmark, Initialize, Torch, 3L, Box Group, TQ Ventures, with new participation from the Churning Group. So for us, it was actually just a matter of a few weeks where they saw the progress, again, from 2.5 years, but also we've been fortunate enough that every single month over the last 4 months have been record sales month over month, and they decided to double down on their investment in Ro and again, help us bring our vision of becoming every patient's first call into reality.
Yeah, I'm just curious how much this current pandemic environment and the increased focus on telehealth and the acceleration of use of telehealth influenced either the speed of how you raised this round or the amount you raised.
I think the thing that this has done most of all, and I think it's unfortunate, I think everyone in the industry would have hoped for a different reason, right, for this new appreciation or new understanding of telemedicine. But it has pulled the future forward faster, right, at least 3 to 5 years. We've seen this dramatic, in our mind, this paradigm shift, this digital first mentality where it won't replace in-person care. It'll hopefully complement it. It'll unburden the existing system. But I think what we'll see is patients start their journey online in a way they've never had before, right? So before this public health crisis, less than 10% of the U.S. population had ever used telemedicine. I think what you'll see over the coming months and years is anyone with a healthcare symptom will first seek care online, see if it can be done in a safe and high-quality manner, and if not, be guided in person. And that's what we hope to do at Ro by being that patient's first call. They seek out care, and if we can handle it beginning to end, we will. And if we can help them find someone better in person, we'll do that as well.
So when we're talking about that pull forward, Zach, does that mean that you're hitting targets now that you originally envisioned coming in 2023, 2024?
I think we've been very, very fortunate to build something that has resonated with patients, right? So in less than 2.5 years, we're at a $250 million run rate. There's almost 1 Ro patient in every single county across the U.S. So again, while I think we would have hoped for a different reason for people to gain this new appreciation for telemedicine, we've been very fortunate in the sense that what we've been building for is always a world in which patients can get high quality, affordable health care from their home.